honestly my whole ass mood right now. As you can see from that little introduction there, I'm a mess. My room is an absolute disaster. I have not cleaned it since maybe a month ago. So I said, Jonna, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna kill two birds with one stone. You're gonna get your ass out of your bed. You're gonna turn on that camera and you're gonna clean your room. A girl hasn't uploaded in 2 weeks. Been procrastinating doing that, and I've also been procrastinating cleaning my room. And it's absolutely disgusting. I cannot live in this anymore. I have to clean it. I have to clean it or I'm gonna go insane. This is what happens when my mental health gets bad. I literally, like, love when things are clean. Let me tell you that right now. I'm not a disgusting person. I try to keep my stuff clean. I really do. But, you know, life is rough sometimes and you just lack the motivation. And I'm so sorry for my appearance. I'm really rocking the George Washington look right now, and I wasn't about to put makeup on to film a video of me cleaning my room. That'd just be stupid. So yeah, you're getting all natural Jonna today, even though in my last video I wasn't wearing makeup either. I really don't care. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I basically picked up everything from my floor other than like my shoes and stuff. And you're probably thinking, Jonna, all you did was put all of your clothes on your bed. And yes, there is a method to my madness here. So I like to separate all my clothes into like their groups, and then I put it away from there. So like all this stuff is stuff that needs to be hung, and then like this stuff all needs to go in drawers and stuff. So I'm just gonna do that, and then we'll go on to the next part of this really fun process. Alright, the next space we are tackling is my desk. It's really messy, but we'll grind right through this part. All I have left to do is my vanity back here. I tried filming a makeup collection video like 2 weeks ago, and I just have not put any of my makeup back since then. So my room is finally clean, which means this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You never know what's around the